This is how your Cellerciser should sound right when you get the rebounder. There's no squeaking at all, okay? A lot of people think like springs from trampolines squeak. Listen, where's the springs? I'm gonna show you. Listen, just listen. You don't hear any, and this is not even oiled yet. You don't hear that screechy, squeaky, annoying sound. Well, actually, just so you know, on a wooden floor, it sounds a little bit louder, but it's still whisper quiet. And if you wear shoes, basically, shoes make it louder too than barefoot. So, okay. I just want to let everyone know, I'm actually going to put the phone right here, right, so you can actually see the springs and hear them at the same time. There's no squeaking. There's no squeaking. I don't know why people say, well, don't get me wrong. There are certain springs that do, and these don't squeak either. I haven't oiled these. Well, this has a little squeak because you don't oil them, but this rebounder, listen. You hear it, one of the springs sounds funny. It's like one of them. But on this side, it's not coming from this side. But it's not that screechy, it's like a screechy sound that you hear. And this is the Bellicon, this is how this sounds. In my next video, I'm gonna have a decibel meter, and this is the smaller one. That noise you hear is the legs. These legs fold in, I'll show you. You see like that? They snap in, I'll show you. And you see how they come off like that, and they pull in. These don't have, this is the best one. You screw in, and they don't, this one has no wobble whatsoever. So, but yeah. Oh, by the way, wobble, if you're doing like side to side motions, like when you're gonna be going back and forth like that, it's good to have a little wobble because it basically keeps you more centered. But if you're doing out bounce or just jumping up, linearly, or whatever the word is, it doesn't really matter. Okay? But the main reason for this video, I wanted to show people that the Cellerciser doesn't have a squeaky noise.